Good morning, students. In last class, we had completed that exercise 13.2 up to question number 11. Right? I solved that last question. It was question number 11. So now I am going to start the question number 12. 12 onwards, I am going to start the questions. Okay. See what is given here. A die is tossed 3 times. A die is tossed 3 times. Find the probability of getting an odd number at least once. At least once. At least once means. At least once means. That means how many times we are rolling a die? Read the question carefully. One more time. A die is tossed thrice. A die is tossed thrice. That means we are rolling a die 3 times. First time, second time, third time. If you roll first time, what you will get? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Out of this, anyone you will get or not? Yes. Second time, 1 to 6, anyone number you will get. Again, third time also 1 to 6. So from this experiment of rolling a die 3 times, what is the sample space? Sample space is equal to first time 6, second time 6, third time 6. 6 into 6 into 6. So that means number of S is equal to 6 into 6 into 6. That is equal to 260. It is the number of outcomes, possible outcomes in an experiment of rolling a die 3 times. Okay? Yes. Now what is asking here? Find the probability of getting an odd number at least once. Find a probability of getting odd number at least once. At least once means, see, just observe here. First time, second time, third time. 3 times we are rolling a die. First time I thrown. Okay. Second time I thrown. Third time also I thrown. If you thrown first time, what you will get? You maybe get 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 or 6. Second also like that, third also like that or not. Here what is asking here? What is the chance? What is the probability means what is the chance to getting this first at least one odd number. At least one odd number. At least one odd number means at least maybe 1 is odd number, here is odd number, or maybe 2 odd numbers, or maybe 3 also odd numbers. That is the meaning of that one. At least one odd number. At least one odd number. At least one odd number means suppose 3 times I am rolling. First time any one is odd number, one odd number, or any 2, suppose any one odd number, odd, suppose maybe even, or else even odd even, or else even odd, like that. One odd number, at least one odd number means maybe one odd number, or maybe 2 odd numbers, or else 3 also odd numbers. That is the meaning of it. The odd number means maybe here or maybe here or maybe here. 2 odd numbers means maybe here and here, maybe here and here, maybe here and here. Okay, at least one odd number. One odd number. That means what is the probability of getting at least one odd number? That means what we have to count here in this 216 all outcomes are there. What are they? 111, 112, 113, 114 are there. Okay. Yes. Here what is asking? What is the probability? What is the probability of getting at least one odd number? At least one odd number means? At least one odd number means just see. Suppose 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 4 suppose. Here what is it? 1, 2, 4 means first time I got one odd number. Second 2 even number or not? This type of numbers. That means maybe 2, 3, 4 or 6, 5, sorry, 6, 4, 5 suppose. Just see, at least here what odd numbers are there now. These type of, that means what is the probability of at least one odd number means one maybe getting one time odd number, or maybe getting 2 time odd numbers, 3, 5, 6. Just see, 3 and 5 is odd numbers or not. These type of outcomes and suppose see 3 also odd numbers. Suppose 1, 3, 5. What it is? First time odd number, second time also odd number, third time also odd number or not? Yes or no? These type of all odd pairs we have to count. All odd pairs we have to count. From this 216. That means let E be the event. Suppose if you take E be the event of getting at least one odd number. E be the event of at least one odd number. What will be there? 1, 2, 4. or 2 1 4. Next 2 4 1. These are all one odd numbers, two odd numbers, three odd numbers. These are all you have to count or not? You have to count. That means number of E we have to find. Number of E. So then what is the probability of E? That means at least one odd number. Number of all possible outcomes of at least one odd number by number of S. That value by number of S means 260. Is it possible to count all these in this out of 216? 216. First what we have to do? We have to write that sample space. 200 in that sample space. How many order pairs are? How many that outcomes are there? 216. It is impossible to write. Yes or no? That is why we will not solve like this manner. How we have to solve here? Just see. Here at least one odd number. At least one odd number means maybe one odd number, two odd numbers, two odd numbers, or three also odd numbers. These are all we have to count or not. Okay, it is not possible to count. That is when what I am doing here. What I am doing here, I will find even numbers. All the even numbers I will find. So here what is there? At least maybe one odd number, maybe two odd numbers, maybe three odd numbers are there, and all the numbers. All the numbers means 2, 4, 6. All the numbers are even numbers also are there not. 2, 4, 6 is there. 2, 2, 2 is there. 2, 6, 4 is there. Yes or no? And 3, 4, 4, 4 is there. 6, 6, 6 is there. What is it all? These are all even numbers or not? That means here now what I am doing here? First time even number. What is the probability of when you rolling a die? What is the probability of getting first number is even number? 1 by 2. Second number even number 1 by 2. Third number also 1 by 2. What I am doing here now? What I will do here? I am doing that. I am subtracting all the even outcomes, even possibilities. First time even number, second time even number, third time even number. From 1. 1 means what is that one? 1 means in this one what will be there? All probabilities will be there here. Sum of all probabilities in an experiment sum of all probabilities equal to 1 only. Yes or no? Here what will be here? What will be here? At least 1 means how we have to find here? So what is the formula? Probability of at least one odd number is equal to 1 minus probability of even numbers, all even numbers. Probability of all even numbers means 1 minus probability of how many times we are rolling? First time, second time, third time. Probability of first one is even number into probability of second one also even number, probability of third one also even number, third also even number. Okay, yes. So 1 minus probability of all even number. All even number means first one even number, second one even number, third one even number. Why? Because that die we are rolling three times. That die we are rolling 3 times. Okay, yes, 3 times. 3 times means here number of S minus number of all even numbers. Number of S. So number of S means this one 270. So then you will get what you get. What will you get? At least one of the odd numbers will get another. Number of S. So what is the probability of S? 1 only. 1 minus probability of all even numbers. Probability of all even numbers. All even numbers means first time even number, second time even number, third time also even number. Okay? Yes. So getting even number is independent event. Getting even number is independent event. That is why what I am doing here 1 minus probability of first even into probability of second even into probability of third even. So now here what I am writing here? First what we have to find here? Probability of even. So when you are rolling a die, so how many outcomes are there? 6. In that one what are the even numbers? 2, 4, 6, 3. So what is the probability of getting even number? 3 by 6, 1 by 2. Yes or no? Yes, first time it is. Second time I am rolling a die again. What is the probability? Same only. Probability of second even number. Also 3 by 6 only, 1 by 2. It is first time I rolled one time. Okay, I rolled first time. First time means what is the probability of getting even number? 3 by 6, 1 by 2. It is over. That is over. Next second time I am doing it. Second time means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 only will get another. In that one what is the even numbers? What are the even numbers? 2, 4, 6. 2, 4, 6. So 3. 3 by, and third time I am doing. Third time also what is that one? Probability of E3 is equal to 3 by 6. That is equal to 1 by 2. Clear? Yes. Now, that is equal to 1 minus probability of E1 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 into 1 by 2. 1 minus 1 by 8. That is equal to 7 by 8. This is the problem. 7 by 8. So it means the probability of at least one odd number. At least one odd number. At least one odd number means maybe first time odd number or one odd number, two odd numbers, three odd numbers. Three also odd numbers. To finding that the probability of that one, what we have to do here? We have to subtract 1 minus probability of all time even numbers. First time even number, second time even number, third time also even number. If you remember, if you subtract from all to that only even numbers, you will get here maybe one odd number, two odd numbers, three also odd numbers you will get. Okay, so it is the problem. It is question number 12. This question is important. Like this manner we have to solve this question. Okay, remember. Next, question number 13. Question number 13. Come to question number 13. What is the question number 13 is given? 13. See, two balls are drawn at random with replacement. With replacement. With replacement means what is that? Independent events. Independent. Okay, remember. Yes, two balls are drawn at random with replacement from a box containing 10 black balls and 8 red balls. 10 black balls and 8 red balls. Total 18. Okay, yes. So here what is asking here? Two balls we are trying. How many balls we are trying? Two balls. From this one, two balls, one we have to draw, and next after that one we have to draw one more. Simultaneously we have to draw. Okay? Yes. Now here what is asking here? Find the probability that both balls are red balls. Here with replacement. With replacement. So with replacement means first I will draw one ball. I observed this one and I kept again in that. I kept back in the bag again. Yes or no? Yes. So next I will draw one more bag. One more ball. And I observed that one and I kept again. I kept back in that bag again. That means with replacement. I am replacing again. Okay. If you replace that one again, there does not change in that number of balls in the bag. Number of balls in the bag. Now here what is asking here? Two balls we have to draw. Two balls we have to draw. So two balls we have to draw means which two? Maybe both are black balls, maybe both are red balls, one black, one red. First black or second red, or first red, second ball. Like that also. These are all probabilities we have to find. Here what is the first question is asking here? Both balls are red balls. Both are red balls. Both are red balls. Red balls. He is asking to find the probability. How much of chance is there? Two balls are drawn. Which ball it is? Red or black? Maybe red, maybe black. Maybe both are red, maybe both are black also. But what is asking? How much of chance is there that a drawn ball is? That drawn ball, first one is red, second also red. First and second also red. Just see. See here with replacement. With replacement means with replacement is nothing but independent. Independent. That means drawing the first ball, okay. Drawing the second ball is not affected on the first ball. Drawing the second ball is not affected the first ball. Yes or no? Yes. So here both are red balls we have to find. So probability of both are red balls. Red balls. Both are red balls means what is that one? Probability of first one is red and second one also red. First one also red, second one also red. Here with replacement. With replacement means both are independent only. That means what is the probability of R1 into probability of R2. So probability of R1. How can you find probability of R1 here? So here probability of R1 means we have to take that ball from 8 red balls or not. What is the probability? The probability of R1 is 8 by 8 by total 80. Yes, I draw one ball. I observe that one. I kept again back with replacement. I kept again back. So again here how many balls are there? 8 balls only are there. So what is the probability of getting second ball also red? Second ball also red. 8 by 18. 8 by 18, 8 by 18. What is that one? What will be cancelled here? 2 will be cancelled. 2 4 2 9. 2 4 2 9. 16 by 18. 16 by 81. Understand? So like this manner we have to find. It is first question. Next, second question. What is given second question? First ball is black and second is red. Here, first one is red. First is black. First is black and second is red. First one is black. First is black. Second one is red. So what is asking here? Probability of first is black and remember this and also, okay, and second is red. So just see how to write probability of first one is black, that means B, and intersection second one is red. Second one is red. See here, this is both are independent events only. Okay, so what will you write here? Probability of B into probability of R. Okay, so what is the probability of B? B means black ball. What is the probability of getting that ball is black ball? First ball is black ball. So here, how many black are there here? 10. 10 by 18. 10 by 18 into next red. Second one is red. Here I have drawn the ball and I kept back again. With replacement. I kept back again. Then when you are drawing the second ball, total how many balls are there here? 18 balls only are there or not? Why? Because I replaced that ball again. First ball I replaced it. Okay. But here how many? Second ball it will be red ball. So here how many balls are there here? 8 balls are there. From 8 we have to draw one ball. So what is the probability? 8 by 18. Simplify this one. 2 will be cancelled 5 times, 9 times. 2 will be cancelled 4 times, 9 times. So 20 by 18. Okay. Yes. Next, probability of next third question. What he is asking third question? One of them is black and other is red. One of them is black. One of them is black and other is red. Just observe it. One of them is black and other one is red. One of them is black means first I draw one ball. Which ball it is? Black or red? We don't know. It is maybe first whatever the ball I draw first time, that may be red or that may be black also. Okay. Second ball I draw, that may be black or that one is red. Suppose first one is red. First I draw this one is red. Second one will be black. Suppose first I got black, second ball will be red. That means asking. So what is asking here? That is equal to. That means probability of first one is black. Suppose I draw one ball. First is black. Compulsory. What will be second? What will be second? Red or black? Probability of first one is black or second one is red. Or means plus. Or first one is red suppose and second one is black. Understand? So one is black, one is red. So which one is black, which one is red? We don't know. That is why first I draw one ball. One ball. Suppose it is black. Second one what compulsory? Red must. Either it is one option. Plus it may be happens. Or first one is red suppose. Second one compulsory black. Like that. Here see. Probability of black. First one black. Second one red. Either it will be happens like this or means plus. First one is red. Second one is black. So find out. Probability of B. Black ball. 10 by 18. Red. 8 by 18 plus probability of red 8 by 18 plus into probability of black. Black means that will be 10 by 8. So both are same. Both are same or not? 10 into 8. Here 8 into 8. 8 into 10. Both are same. That means 2 times of 80 by do one thing, cancel them. 5 times 9 times, 4 times 9 times, here also 4 times 9 times, here 5 times 9 times. So 2 times are 9 5s are 5 4s are 20 by 81. Okay, yes, this will be 40 by 81. 40 by 81. So like this manner we have to solve these type of questions. Okay, so we have to solve these questions like this manner. Next, come to next question. Next question, 14th. Probability of solving specific problem independently by A and B are 1 by 2 and 1 by 3. That means two persons I selected, I have given a problem to two members. So independently the probability of solving that problem, the probability of solving the problem independently by the A and by B is 1 by 2 and 1 by 3 is given. Independently. Here, what is given? Probability of A is given 1 by 2. Probability of B is given. Probability of B is given 1 by 2. That means independently. Independently, one problem is given to members. Just I told to them solve. Solve means they will not discuss to anybody. That problem will be solved by person A only. Independently he will be solved. And that B also will be solved independently. What is the chance? How much chance is there will be solved the question by A? 1 by 2. How much of chance is there to solving that problem B? Problem by B? 1 by 3. Okay? Yes. Now what he is asking here? If both try to solve the problem, both independently, both are tried to solve the problem independently. Just remember here, independently is given. So separately they started to solve the problem. Okay? Yes. So next, what is asking here? Find the probability that the problem is solved. Find the probability that the problem is solved. Probability is solved. Find the probability that the probability is solved. Problem is solved. Who solved? We don't know who solved, but problem is solved. Either may be A or B. Anyone will be solved or not? Maybe A or B or both also. That means A union B. That means what is asking here? Probability of either A or B. Either A or B. So probability of A union B is asking. He is asking to find the probability of A union B. Understand? It means the problem is solved. Problem is solved means who is solved? Either may be A or B. Either may be A or B. So probability of A union B we have to find. So how can we find the probability of A union B? How the formula? Probability of A plus probability of B minus probability of A intersection B. A intersection B. Let's see. Probability of A plus probability of B minus probability of A intersection B means what we can write? Probability of A into probability of B I write. Why we are writing like this way? Since A and B are independent. A and B are independent is given. That means why? Because A and B are both persons are independently they are solving the problems. That is it. Okay. Yes. Now apply here. 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3 minus 1 by 2 into 1 by 2. So what is it? 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3 minus 1 by 6. So 6 is the answer. 3 plus 2 minus 1. So 4 by 6. 3 plus 2 5. 5 minus 1 4. 4 by 6. 2 by 3. That means the problem is solved. The problem is solved. Solved means who solved? Either may be A or B. Either may be A or B. So the problem is solved means maybe A or maybe B will be solved. What is the probability? 2 by 3. The chance is solving that maybe A or maybe B is 2 by 3. Understand? Yes. It is question number 1. Okay. Yes. I am going to solve the question number 2 also. What is given 2 here? What is given 2 here? exactly one of them solves the problem. Exactly one of them solves the problem. Exactly one of them. Exactly one of them. Who solved? Exactly one of them means A solved or B solved. That means exactly one means any one person only solved or not. But who solved? If suppose A is solved, B may not be solved. That is or not. So A solved, B not solved. Or B solved, A may not be solved. Understand? Exactly one person only solved. Exactly one. Suppose A, B will be exact in this A and B. In these two persons A and B, only one person only solved the problem. Who solved? We don't know who solved. What is the chance? The chance is there to solve the problem A or to solve the problem B. Yes or no? Anyone only solved. Who solved? That means what we have to find? A solved, suppose we are assuming like that. A solved, B may not be solved. B compulsory not solved. A solved means B not solved. Or B solved, A not be solved. Yes or no? Exactly one only. So what is the here? Exactly one of them is solved means that is equal to probability of A. A solved, suppose exactly one person. Suppose I am choosing that A solved. A solved means compulsory B not solved. So probability of B dash A success, B failure plus or suppose B solved, A not solved. It is the meaning of it. Okay? Yes. See, probability of A, probability of B dash means 1 minus probability of B. We have the formula. Success plus failure is equal to 1 or not? 1 minus this is success gives this one. Next plus probability of B into 1 minus probability of A. 1 minus probability of A. So substitute these values. 1 by 2 into 1 minus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3 into 1 minus 1 by 2. Simplify this one. 2 by 3. 2 by 3. 1 by 2 into 2 by 3 plus 1 by 3 into 1 by 2. Right? Yes. So you want to do 2 together in the answer. 1 by 3 plus 1 by 6. 6 plus 3. Okay, simplify this one. What is that one? 1 by 3 plus 1 by 6. 6 is the LCM, right? 2 3 times. 3 2 times. 2 plus 6 1 time. 2 plus 1 3. 3 by 6 1 by 2. So the probability of exactly one person will solve the question is 1 by 2. Is 1 by 2. Understand? So like this manner we have to solve the question. Okay? Yes. Come to next question. Question number 15. What is given here? One card is drawn at random from a well-shuffled deck of 52 cards. One card is drawn. Okay, only one card. One card is drawn at random from a well-shuffled deck of 52 cards. Okay. In which of the following cases? Some questions are given. In that questions, what is asking here? Are the event E and F are independent? The two events are given, F and E. Is these two are independent or not? Is asking. How can you check independent or not? Independent means probability of E intersection F is equal to probability of E into probability of F. Then it is that the two events are known as independent or not, or else dependent. So here to prove that independent, what we have to find here? Probability of E we have to find, probability of F you have to find, probability of E intersection F you have to find, and next probability of E into probability of F you have to find. If probability of E intersection F and probability of E into probability of F all are same, then left side and right side both values are equal, then what do you say? That two events are independent. Okay. So here you first, before that one, you should have to know about playing cards. 52 playing cards are there, right? In that one, 26 red, 26 black, right? These red cards means what are they? Again, 13, heart. Okay, 13 diamond. Red diamond and heart. Here 13 club. Okay, 13 spade. 13 spade. 13 spade. Okay, here what will be there? One ace will be there. 3 face cards will be there. 3 face cards. 3 face cards. That means one J, Q, K. 3 face cards, one ace. Yes or no? Here 3 face cards, one ace. Here 3 face cards, one ace. Here also 3 face cards, one ace. So total how many face cards are there? J, Q, K. 3, 6. 6 plus 6, 12. 12 face cards are there total. J, Q, K. Here how many? Suppose J how many is there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 J's are there. 4 J cards. J means jockey. Next 4 king are there. 4 queen are there. J, Q, K. Actually J, Q, K. And how many ace cards are there? 1, 2, 3, 4 ace cards. 4 ace cards. Okay. 4 ace cards. Actually how many heart are there? 13 heart, 13 diamond, 13 club, 13 spade. Okay, remember this one. By this one you have to solve this question. Just see. Here what is the first question is given here? First question. E. The card drawn is spade. First question. E. The card drawn is spade. Okay. F is given. The card drawn is black. Okay. Just see. Black spades. Black spade. Okay. Spade will be the black only. Yes or no? Spade will be this symbol. This symbol. Okay. In this what will be there? Spade card black color. Spade spade color is in black only. Okay? Yes, remember that one. Now here, see, E the card drawn is spade. Spade means how many spade cards are there? 13 spade cards are there not? Yes. So number of E is equal to 13. Yes or no? So what is the probability of E? Probability of E is equal to 13 by 52. Total number of S equal to 52. So 13 by 52. 1 by 4. Yes or no? Next, number of F. The cards are drawn is black. Black means how many cards are there? How many? 26. Number of F is equal to 26. F. The card drawn is black. From black only we have to draw. So how many black cards are there here? 26. So what is the probability of F here? Probability of F. 26 by 52. So 1 by 2. Yes or no? Yes. So intersection also you want to find. What about E intersection F? E intersection F. That means number of E intersection F. How many are there? That means E intersection F is equal to E intersection F. What is E intersection F? The drawn card is black. Spade in black. Spade in black. Yes or no? Spade in black. So how many are there? Number of E intersection F. We drawn card is spade. That is in black. So actually how many spades are there? How many black spades are there? 13 or not? 13. Yes or no? Yes. So what is the probability of E intersection F? 13 by total 52. 1 by 4. Yes or no? Yes. Now we have to check that. We should have to check that now. Probability of E into probability of F I am going to find. Probability of E into probability of F. What is probability of E here? Probability of E 1 by 4 into probability of F here 1 by 2. Okay. Sorry here the question is wrong. It is not a black one. Yes card. Okay, sorry that one. Just see, yes means yes, probability of F same only, probability of E same only, number of E same only. Okay, it is not squared. See, F only. What is the number of F? The card is A's card. A's card. How many A's cards are there? 4. Yes or no? So what is the probability of F? What is the probability of F? F 4 by 52. 4 by 52. So 4 by 52 means 1 by 13. Yes or no? Yes. Next, E intersection F. E intersection F. What is E intersection F? The card is spade and ace. How many are there? The drawn card is what is that one? Ace. Spade of ace. Spade of ace. Actually, how many aces are there? 4. 1 club, 1 spade, 1 diamond, 1 heart. Only one? Yes. 1. So what is the number of intersection F? 1 only. Number of intersection F is equal to 1. So what is the probability of intersection F here? 1 by 50. 1 by 50. Yes or no? Now what we have to check here? Probability of E into probability of F you have to check. What is probability of E you got? That means red cards are spade. The drawn card is a spade. What is probability of E? 1 by 4. What is probability of F? 1 by 13. So what is that one? 1 by 52 only. 4 13 is 52. Yes or no? Yes. So that means what is that one? Probability of E into probability of F is equal to 1 by 32. That is equal to 1 probability of E intersection F. Probability of E intersection F. So both are equal. So hence E and F are independent. E and F are independent. Just observe here, it is not black. Its card is ace, not black. Actually, that is the second question. I have taken by mistake black here. It is ace. Okay, remember this one. It is about this question number 1. Here, what is that one? The card is spade. The card is ace. Spade means how many are there? 13. What is the probability? 13 by 52. 1 by 4. Next F means ace cards. How many ace cards are there actually? 4. 4. Ace card. Any ace card. 4. 4 by 52. 1 by 12, 13. So what is intersection? Intersection. The card is ace with spade. Ace with symbol spade. Ace with symbol spade. How many cards are there? Only one card. 1. So 1 by what is the problem? Intersection F. So what is the problem of intersection F? 1 by 52. So just multiply E into F. E into F means what is that? 1 by 52 you got. This value 1 by 52. This one is also 1 by 52. Both are equal. So these two are independent equals. Understand? Like this you have. Come to the next question. In these 3 questions are given. Okay. 3 questions are given. What is second question? Second question, E. The card is black. Black card. Yes, what is given? The card drawn is a king. King card. Okay. First one is the brown card is a black card. Black card. So what is the probability of what is the number of king? The card you drawn that is black you got. Compulsory from where you will get? From 26 black only you will get or not? So E means number of black cards. How many black cards will be there? 26. Okay. What is the probability of E? 26 by 52. 1 by 4. Say 1 by 2. Clear? Yes. Next F. Number of F. The drawn card is a king. King means how many kings are there? Any king. The drawn card is a king. That much only. It is not black, not red. King means how many are there? 4 are there? 4. Yes or no? So what is the probability of F here? 4 by 52. 1 by 13. Yes or no? Yes. Now E intersection F. The drawn card is see king black, king only, that is from black, black, king in black, king in black, king in black means how many black kings, how many are there? Two black kings. What is that one? One is the club, another one is a spade. Yes or no? Two are black or not? That two kings are black only. Two. So two. So what is the probability of E intersection F? 2 by 52. 1 by 13. Now what we have to verify? Probability of E into probability of F we have to find. What is probability of E? 1 by 2. What is probability of F? 1 by 13. Okay. 1 by 2, 1 by 13. Then what is intersection F? 1 by 13. So what about this one? Is this two are independent? Okay. Yes. Here see 2 by 52 means what is that one? 1 by 26. Right? Yes. So here what is the probability of E is equal to probability of E into probability of F. 1 by 2 into 1 by 13. 1 by 26. Yes or no? So probability of E intersection, what is the value? 1 by 26. So this value both are equal or not? Equal. So here also E comma F are independent. E comma F are independent. Okay. Just to calculate properly. E intersection of means 2 by 52. 2 by 50 means 1 by 26. Clear? So in this also these two are independent events. Okay. Next, third question. What is that one? E. The card drawn is a king or queen. E. Drawn card is a king or queen. Next, F. Drawn card is a queen or jack. Jack. So just observe here E. What is the number of E? The drawn card is a king or queen. King means how many are there? 4. Queen how many is there? 4. So in E what will be there? 8. Number of E is equal to 8. Queen or king? King we have to take off. Queen also we have to take. 4 plus 4, 8. So what is the probability of E? 8 by 52. 2 is cancelled 4 times. 4 will be cancelled. 2 is cancelled 4 times. 2 is cancelled here 26 times. 2 is cancelled 2 times. 2 is cancelled 13 times. 2 by 30. Okay. Next, probability of number of F we have to find. What is number of F here? F. Drawn card is a queen or jack. Queen is jack. Queen how many are there? 4. Jack also 4. 8. 8. So what is probability of E? F. Probability of F is equal to 8 by 52. This is also 2 by 30. Next, E intersection F. Drawn card. Drawn card. E. King, queen. King or queen? Queen or king. What is the common name? Common is a queen. Okay. Drawn card is a king or queen and queen or jack or jack. So here what is the common? Queen only. Queen only means how many is there? 4. E intersection F. Number of E intersection F is equal to 4. Okay. Yes. So in the E intersection F, common 4 are there. In E and F, what is the common? Queen only. Queen how many will be there? 4. So number of E intersection F equal to 4. What is the probability of E intersection F? 4 by 52. 1 by 13. Right? So now next, what we have to verify? Probability of E into probability of F. What is probability of E here? 2 by 13. Probability of F? 2 by 13. What is it? 4 by 169. 4 by 169. Is it equal to this 1 by 13? No. Wrong. So, both are not equal. So, what do you say here? E comma F are not independent. Not independent. Both are not independent. Understand? So like this manner we have to solve this question. Here actually 3 questions are there. And then question number 15 I solved that. Okay. And next question number 16, 17, 18. 3 more questions are there, and as well as some proofs are there. 1 or 2 proofs also are there. So I will explain in next class. Okay. Thank you.